Umentri ketanat pulih putih balak men Rymbui hakasi thoding ulaya thu baka Sorkar Pdeng kala Pyllait yakabha padangsa jong nonghikai SSA pada ko tulop ubnai jemang jeliu bat naitung on sesiu no shen habakran kinong tho kubor uba Rymbui ulaong baki nonghikai klayo tang yakabha kecela nadu uyayong namar baka slam ka song pisa ka Sorkar Pdeng.
Since the month of April, the central government have not released the salary component under the Samagra Abhiyan scheme. So the teachers, they got the salary only the state share, SSA. So on the 23rd, 22nd and 23rd, the meeting of education minister is there in the liver. I attend. I speak on this issue. I inform the government of India. I inform then education minister that in Meghalaya we only release the state share for the month of May, June, and July is ending. Then after that, the union minister replied that within 1 week they will release, and it is released. So the government have released to different district. So this portion of those salary of pending salary of central share for the month of May, June, July, in due course of time, the teachers will get.